Those of you who gave yourself a little bit of room, right, when the price took the 301, 302, right? Those of you who always bring up the entry a couple of points, 1 point, 2 points above, right? So shortly the 302 was nice, right? All the way to 97, right?
Right.
Okay, so that's 5 points. That's not bad. Alrighty then. That's five points, right? Counter trend because we can see that this move up, right? We can see that this move up from 91 all the way to 301, this 10, 11 points move up is just that. It's a lip. It's a lip up of the wave that we're playing, right? It's just a lip, all right? In the bigger picture, we don't have to concern ourselves yet with that. We're gonna continue playing the wave, right? So we're short right here, 301, 302. Those of you who jumped the gun, you're short 300, and that's pretty good, right? Okay, 300. So we're up 5 points right now. Stop break even, and what is 95? Remember 95? Well, it was resistance. Now is support, isn't it? Okay, alrighty then. Okay, how about 93? Remember 93? That's the next one. All right, so we're gonna bring that 92 to 93 now. Okay. All right, okay, 93, that's pretty good because that's gonna give us 9 points, right? Boom, 93, okay, remember 93. 93 was we had 93 and 95, this beautiful drop takes 96, takes 95, and then what do? Well, let it ride to another one. These are minor supports, okay, 93. All right, I know you're tempted to take 10 points right now, 8 points, right? The short 302, the short 301, right? Boom. Okay, so that's 93. Correct me if I'm wrong, but righty. Okay, so that's 92 half. 92 from 302, 91. That's plus 9, 10, and of course we have the open low 90T right here. Okay. All right. So 90T, ladies and gentlemen. Remember that we are on a snake wave, right? Okay. And our job is to measure the strength of everything right here. Is this a pullback in a minor uptrend? Look at the 93, ladies and gentlemen. Remember our 93? What do you think is going on right there? Everybody's locking 9 points. Everybody's locking 9 points, including all of us right here. 9 points, locking 9 points. We are scalping and today's options expiration. All right. So it's the open. We're already up 9 points. We were patient. It was worth the wait, wasn't it? To make 9 points in 1, 2, 3 in 3 minutes. That's pretty good. All right, so let's continue. All right, let's continue. That's extremely important. The bulls wants to take the price still to 306. All right, this is just conventional technical analysis. Look at this. All right, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. All right, okay. So to play this trend right here, you want to let it ride all the way to 306. All right, where from? Our support 93. Look at that beautiful 93. Price just go 2 points only. 2 points, 2 ticks below our support 93. Look at it, 92 half. No, CAPI, I wanted the price to take 90T, break it, and continue to 87 or the 82, man, the low of the wave. Well, it's early. All right, it's early. So what do we need to do? Well, we need to know who's in control. Who do you think is in control? The bulls are in control. We just took advantage of the strength of the resistance 302 to make us 10 points in 4 minutes. You know? All right. Very important to know that. That's our main play. All right? And what is it that we're expecting? Remember what I told you. Not only we need to know where the price is going, but how the hell it's going to get there. All right? So, if we are in a sideways action, 18 points, 382, our job is to let it ride to 82. It goes to our first support, 93. There is a bounce, and you're not surprised that there is a bounce. Why? Because we already had 93, didn't we? All right. What is this 90T right here? Nothing. That's just the open. That's just the open low, which we couldn't care less. Well, I mean, of course we care a little bit, right? Because that's what everybody's looking. We don't care about it. All right? All right. We have 87, 84, 82. Remember those little supports that I gave you an hour ago? All right. Let's see. So if there is another bounce off right here, 87, is this bounce any surprise for you? Of course it's not. Why? Because we look at this beautiful bounce off of 87. We've known 87 since this morning. 87, 84, and 82. Do we not? No, we know what. So in other words, we want to know where the price is going, not only where it's going, but how it's going to get there. And this is how you know how it's going to get there. All right, so let's go with the plan then, right?
Let's do it.
All right, let's continue doing it. Pretty good. Righty. This is going to be fun today. Listen to this. The Bears just took control of the action. Oh my God, really? Yes. The Bears are in command. They just took it right here at 90. It has nothing to do, 10 points below 300. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. So, well, that's terrific, CAPI, because then it looks like we're going to be able to make 20 points when this thing goes to 82. That's what it looks like. Oh my God! How about 87? We already had a bounce off of 87. Second time we're gonna take it, like we're taking it right now. Oh my God!
Turn around.
Yeah. What time it is right now? 10. Oh my God! Oh my God! CAPI, this is terrific. Hey, CAPI, look, 84, man. That's our next support, isn't it? 84, isn't it? 84 our next support. So, are you surprised of this bounce off of 84 to the tick? No, you're not surprised. You know why? Because you've known it since this morning. Right? So not only you need to know where the price is going, but you need to know how the hell it's going to get there. And this is how you know how it's going to get there. You need to know what are the key levels that the price is not expecting to cut through like butter. Look at the bounce, CAPI. Yeah, from where? From our support 84, right? Okay. The Bears just took control, and all right, they are and this is gonna be something else for everybody here. Listen, they took control, and listen to me, because what is it that we want to always know? Are we gonna trend, right? Okay, so that's what I'm looking for right now. All right, now that they took control right here at 90, 91, are they gonna trend? Are they gonna take the low and continue going to where, right? Remember that we have a predetermined pivot support 77. So our job now is, all right, well, if the bears just took control, right? Right here, 91, 92, well, actually 93, when the price nicely took 93, bears became in control. So now what we want to know, okay, so terrific. So we know that our short 301, 302, it's comfortable, right? It just went to 84. That's terrific, right? 16 points, 17 points, 18 points, and it's only 10 a.m. But we want to milk the market, do we not? How do we do it? Well, let's go ahead, let's go to 82 and 77. That's how we're going to do it. Oh my God, really? That's right. Okay, let's shoot for 77, target 1. So in other words, 77, yes, we have to completely take a full unit. 77. Oh, really, CAPI? Yeah, that's right. My God. Yeah, all right, let's go for it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, listen, breaking 82 is not going to be easy. All right? Yes, the bears are in control, but 82 just became really, really important. So 77, 82, this 5 point right here, it's looking a little bit strong, okay? Alrighty then. So stop, break even, short lead, and taking 84 and 82 is not gonna be easy. And so let's watch it and ride it to 77, of course. But we're not gonna get this beautiful drop right here that we had here. This drop right here. Look at this drop, and then vicious buying to destroy the weak bears. And I think we're gonna be chopping now. Chop, 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 chop liver. Going to 77 is not going to be a walk in the park. That's not gonna happen. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. So why is it so important to know that? So that you know what you do with your position size. Look at your P&L, and if you want to go play golf, you already made 20 points, right? 18 points here at 84, and make sure that you don't give up one single penny of what we already made. It's Friday, options expiration. I mean, think about it. Yeah. All right. Okay. So let's continue. Nicely going all the way to where? 82. What's 82? 82 is the low of our snake wave. So what do you think is going to happen at 82? We're going to have this bounce that we're having right now. All right. So in other words, it doesn't surprise you that the price is bouncing off of 81. Look at that. 81. 1 point of range to stop it. But we want to let it ride to 77 because we want to milk the market. We are short 300, 301, 302, and we just want to go to 77. You know, what's wrong with that? You know. Okay, so let's do it then, right? 77, target 1. Boom, bang, bing. What is that? Oh, 79, pretty close, remember. So why do we have the confidence to let it ride to 77? Because I told you that the bears took control of the entire situation. 91, 92, 93, our 93, right? So you have to be strong. And yes, I know that that we can get out one, depending on the volatility, you know, a couple of bucks above, below. We like it when the price goes exactly to our level, right? We like it. Because what does that mean? What I told you an hour ago. Hey, listen, the market is balanced. It's moving rhythmically. And when the market is in this type of condition, it respects every single one of our system levels and directions and strength. So we have a lot of confidence that we're going to get our 77, 78, right? All righty, what is this? That's 78 quarter. All right, and remember what I told you, no shenanigans. We have to lock here. If you didn't lock 87, 93, 84, 82, because you have confidence in your system and you're going to target, then that's terrific. That's what you're supposed to do. 77 is not going to be taken easily. It's a strong support, and that's why we have to lock 77, 78. All right, and then we'll take it from there. All right. So if we have a nice bounce and then it goes to resistance, we know that the bears are still in control. Then we add to a winner, or we establish a new position short. Right? If you are all in all out, you just made 22 points. You're done. 22 points on options expiration, and it's only 10 a.m. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead, and we also the pop of 77, right? We can get out right here, right now, 74, right? Go ahead, pulls it out. We know 77 is target one, but look how it's doing it, right? So you can take 76, you can take 75, you can take 74, right? Just go ahead and take 74. Take 74 and, nicely. 74, right? Look at the way the price just cut through 77 like butter. It's beautiful. Just this. So our taking profit below 77 is the same as our entry above 300, right? Okay, we can pulse it out. That's why you came here, to trade. All right, so target one officially hit 74, 77. We're gonna call it 74 because the market is being gracious with us this morning. And we love it when the market does that. So let's go to target two. Because I told you, no shenanigans. Log here, right? So no shenanigans. Alrighty? CAPI, if the bears just, if we are comfortable, bears took over the entire session at 93. The market is moving rhythmically. The levels are in harmony with our system. Why lock here 77, man? Come on, let's go to target two, but let's not call it target two. Let's call it target one. Stop, break even, start trailing, trail until you tell us that's it. You know what I mean? So we don't have to lock 77. I understand your way of thinking, and it's perfectly okay. But I've done it a billion times already, and I prefer to lock right here 72. All right? Okay. So that's why we trade 4 units. If you cannot trade 4 units, you should be selling real estate somewhere. You don't belong in this industry. All right, just go ahead and get out right here. 72, 73. All right, lock right there. So repeat. We know that we have 55, right? So that's a tentative target two. 55, right? 55. Okay, 55. Here it is, 55, right? Oh my God, CAPI, 55 from 75, that's 20 points. It's going to be in straight line, of course not. So our job now is to see which points, which levels of support are strong enough, these 20 points, so that when the price goes there, bounces, we are expecting it. Because not only we need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there, so that we don't get shaken out. All right, so let's see. All right, let's see what's in between 72 right here. We have this low right here, 73 and 55. Let's see. And that's number one. And number two, what if this what if this sell-off is nothing but a trick from the smart money to take all the stops of the week, right? It could be, meaning there's gonna be a bounce and then bam, it's gonna go back up. What if? Well, let's see about that. All right, we need to be on top of all. We need to be on top of all of that all the time. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So 55, of course, is still there. However, the market is dynamic. It's changing. Everything is changing all the time. So target 2 is now what used to be by way of, now it's gone up in status, is target 2 now. All right. However, it's a range, 3-point range, 60, 63. It's gonna be a while, but it's still there. All right. Okay. It is target 2, so we have to lock second unit right there. We're gonna see how it gets there, if it gets there. All right. So no guarantees. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 62 quarter, right? Okay, you can get out here if you want to. We are expecting a bounce off of here, 62 quarter. How many points have we made so far from the 302, right? 302. Think about that, right? Minus 262. How many points is that? That's 40 points. That's 40 points. 40 points. And look at the bounce. You need if you don't have a system that tells you exactly how the price is going to behave everywhere, how can you possibly not be shaken out by the smart money? Tell me. Are you surprised that the price just so happened that bounced off of 62? Right in the middle between 60 and 63, 62. Are you surprised? No, you're not. All right. You know why it's bouncing? Because you are taking 42 points. All right, so typical action, right? This is how the market behaves at our level, right? 60, 63, it goes to the top of the range. It bounces back, it has to, and then it's coming back. As long as I don't tell you not to be sure anymore, you stay the course and stick with the plan. All right. Okay, so let me see. Is this 60 to the tick? Is that 60 to the tick, the low of our 3-point range? Is it? I believe it is. Alrighty then. 60, right? From 82, we're up 42 points. So, ladies and gentlemen, so even though we nail not only direction, we nail a trend, and we're up 42 points right now, we have to lock right here, unit number 2. Let's go to number 3. All right, just be patient. Gee, I didn't see this bounce coming. Yeah, sure. Isn't that what we do all the time? This is the low of the target 2 range. What do you think is going to happen? It's going to bounce like this. And that's why we go long target 2 counter trend. It'll be beautiful if it goes all the way to 74 so that we can make 10, 5, 10, 15 points on its way to 74. And it can easily turn into a new uptrend. We don't know that yet, but at least we sold the high and we bought the low 42 points below. Think about that. We just made 42 points because we nailed the top, and we made 42 points two exits, and we are long counter trend 60, and the price just went to 66. So we are up 6 points on a counter trend that could turn later on into a total completely reversal. And then if it goes all the way to the top, we're going to make 42 points on the way down, and we're going to make 42 points on the way up. I don't think that that's going to happen, but you know, so you can also live off dreams, right? Is it really a dream? Have we done it before? You know we have done it before many times. All right. It doesn't matter, actually. We are on our way to target 3 until I tell you otherwise. In the meantime, we just made 6 points on this counter trend. So, because we know that target 3 is going to take a while for the price to reach, why not make a couple of bucks in the meantime counter trending? We're not afraid of counter trending. A lot of fake gurus are going to tell you, don't counter trend, go with the trend. They have no clue what the trend is. They're just repeating what they've heard so many times. Remember, if you're going to follow somebody, if you're going to hear somebody, all of those people that are desperate to sell you their trading education for $2,000, tell them, I don't have any problem buying your education courses and all of that stuff. I just want you to prove to me first that what you are selling actually works. And how are you going to prove it? Well, you have to read the market live, real time, as it's happening every single day. Every single day, Mondays, the market is open. That's it. You do that, and then I'll believe that your crap course that you sell, that you yourself don't even understand and don't use, works. You just want to make $2,000 from me. Confirmation, just like we go from confirmation here. Hey, let's have these fake gurus give us confirmation that what the crap that they're selling, it's real, right? Nothing wrong with that. All right. Is that 68? That's pretty good. 68 quarter. All righty then. All right, so 55. Remember 55? It's just right there. So it is still there. All right, but I don't know if it's target 3 yet. But it is still support. All right, listen, it is still support. I'm telling you. All right, we made 60 target 2 because we knew this trend was going to bounce the price. Look at this, 8 points, right? And remember what I told you a little while ago. 74, support becomes resistance becomes support. Let's ride this counter trend all the way to 74 and or trail it. Okay? Alrighty then. Alright, so let's go over everything, right? Remember that we have 55, right? And we had to bring it up to 60. And it was a good thing. Look, it went all the way to, the bounce all the way to 68, right? And not only that, too much time has passed, right? And we know 11:30 things begins to, time right now is 11:26, so 55 is still there, but it's 55 is not target 2 anymore because we made it 60. So 55 now, ladies and gentlemen, is a destination. In other words, there will be some support here too. Look at the time, chop began. Target 3, however, it's all the way to 39 as target 3. All right, it's gonna take all might take all day or not, but that's target 3. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, the market continue respecting every single one of our levels of support and resistance. Look at that 55, the original. Remember the original target 2. Price finally goes to 55 to the tick, I might add, and then look at the lipping. 55, 74, back to 60, 74. You've got to know the levels if you want to milk the market, don't you?